Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily video for Wednesday the 29th of May 2024. So last week we talked about SPY, which is the ETF that tracks the S&P 500, and specifically this bearish key reversal bar that was recorded last Thursday. And bearish key reversals can have some bearish implications. This one certainly did. I said at the time that don't rush out and kind of sell everything yet. We want to see whether the market can close above or below Thursday's high and low. If we start seeing closes above Thursday's high, I think the bulls are all in the clear. If we start seeing closes below Thursday's low, I think the bears have got something to get excited about. But all we've had since Thursday is two inside bars. That's two bars where the high and the low fall entirely within Thursday's trading range. So that doesn't really tell us anything just yet. Where most of the excitement is right now is in the metals. If you look at silver, that was up over 5% on Tuesday. Very strong session. Copper wasn't quite as exciting as silver, but it was still up over 2% and picking itself back up off the mat. And gold here looking a little more bullish as well. Silver obviously looks the most bullish, but also kind of the most frothy. Gold is looking a little more pedestrian, potential double top. To me, copper looks like the metal to be I would like exposure to. But bear in mind, the metals, they kind of all look like one trade here. XME is probably an ETF that does a pretty good job of capturing what's going on in the metals. This is the Spider Metals and Mining ETF. There's any number of other ways of playing these. You could look at SLV. I don't particularly love the look of that chart personally. You could look at GLD. You could look at GDX. You could look at FCX, you could look at SCCO if you want to play copper. But bear in mind, like I said, they're kind of all the same trade. So don't load up on all of them. You've really got to go through and pick out the one that you like best. Risk management always comes first in trading. Trading is never about trying to make as much as possible. It's always about trying to lose as little as possible and manage your losses. Because if you can do that while following a process that gives you a probabilistic edge, the returns will almost take care of themselves over time. So like I said, whilst we're waiting for the stock market to sort of make up its mind here, there are some interesting setups again in the metals after last week's sell-off. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you on tomorrow's Tao Daily. Thank you.